Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over the structures of the skin model in detail. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. What are the functions of the skin? The skin is the first physical barrier against mechanical damage, against microorganisms, against dehydration. The skin helps regulate the body temperature through the sweat glands and the blood vessels running through it. The skin is a sense organ. It senses the pain, temperature, touch, deep pressure, all starts at the skin level. The skin is the site for vitamin D synthesis. The skin is divided into two layers. The epidermis, epi means on top. This entire layer is the epidermis on this part, and this is the epidermis right here. The second layer is the dermis, which is this entire layer till here. So this is the dermis. We have the hypodermis. Hypo means below the dermis. That is the hypodermis. The skin is classified into either thick skin or thin skin. We have the thick skin in the soles of the feet, in the palms of the hand. We have the thin skin everywhere else on the skin. Starting with the first layer of the epidermis, which is this entire layer right here. We will go over the layers of the epidermis and we will point out the differences between the thick skin epidermis versus the thin skin. First layer is the stratum corneum right here. This entire layer is the stratum corneum, whereas this is the stratum corneum of the thin skin. The first difference is that the stratum corneum is much thicker in the thick skin versus the thin skin to provide more protection, because thick skin is in the soles of the feet and the palms of the hand. The second layer of the epidermis, which is the stratum lucidum, which is the layer in white. The stratum lucidum is not in the thin skin. That is the second difference between the epidermis of the thin skin versus the thick skin. Moving to the third layer, which is the stratum granulosum, right here. And here we have the stratum granulosum, which is the second layer, right under the stratum corneum. So this is the stratum granulosum. Moving to the fourth layer, which is the stratum spinosum. This is the stratum spinosum, the thick skin, and this is the stratum spinosum in the thin skin, which is the third layer. Moving to the most inner layer, the stratum basal. The stratum basal right here, which is at the base of the epidermis. This is the stratum basal. The cells in the stratum basal, which is also called the stratum germinatum, they are highly mitotic, they undergo mitosis, and the newly produced cells, they are pushed toward the surface. So it is a cycle. We shed cells from the stratum corneum, we produce cells from the stratum basal.